Now, ladies and gents, today Sofi Technologies finally gave us their long-awaited Q4 earnings results, and I must say, boy, I'm really excited because Sofi, once again, ladies and gents, managed to beat analysts' expectation on both the revenues they generated for the Q4 earnings and the earnings per share. This is something that we've been seeing in Sofi's previous, 4 quarters, which getting to see that once again we see Sofi thrashing analysts' expectations on both the revenues they generate and the earnings per share makes me to be really excited because, ladies and gents, as seen on the screen, analysts were expecting Sofi Technologies to report total revenues of around 425 million, and we saw Sofi reporting total revenues of $456 million, and same with the earnings per share. What did we see Sofi do? Analysts were expecting a 9 cents or negative 9 cents earnings per share, and Sofi reported a negative 5 cents. This is something that is incredible and something that must just show you that Sofi continues to do very well. But one thing that really for me stand out in the entire earnings is that Sofi, ladies and gents, announced and confirmed that this year in the Q4, ladies and gents, they are planning to report a profitable quarter, or for the very first time they are planning to report a profitable Q4 in 2023. So Q4 of 2023, ladies and gents, Sofi Technologies is going to report positive earnings per share, or it is going to become a profitable organization or company, which is something that is good and something that we've always been waiting for. Now, before we dig deep into this video, know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. Now, I really appreciate if you can just hit the likes button if you are enjoying the content that I'm giving you about Sofi Technologies. Now, without wasting any more of your time, like I said, that Sofi, for the revenue, earnings per share, they managed to beat analyst expectation, as on both the two figures they beat or thrashed analyst expectation. And in the Q4 of 2022, Sofi Technologies saw membership growth of around 488,000, which is obviously great to see that membership growth continue growing. And right now Sofi currently has a total of over 5.2 million members in their platform, which is something that is incredible and something that will make it easier for them to reach the profitability stage. Now, another thing that I really like about Sofi's Q4 earnings is their guidance for 2023, because as seen on the screen, you notice that Sofi Technologies, for the 2023 full year net revenues, they are planning to generate total net revenues of between 1.925 and $2 billion, which will be a 25 to 30% increase from the total revenues they generated in 2022. This is something that is amazing, and especially to know that in Q4 Sofi is planning to be a profitable, or to reach or get to profitability. It is one of the things that makes me to be really excited about this company. I mean, besides beating analyst expectations on both the revenues and the earnings per share, one thing that stands out for me is that Sofi plans to report profitability in the Q4 of 2023. That is something that, if you forget anything about these earnings, just know that in the Q4 of 2023, Sofi Technology will be a profitable company, which is something that is incredible, because I mean, I cannot even dispute this, because having to look at the fact that in the Q4 they reported a negative EPS of 5 cents, this just has to show you how close Sofi is from becoming a profitable company or a profitable stock, which makes it worthwhile investing into this company, because we are investing onto this company before it becomes a profitable company. So I'm really excited about the overall earnings of Sofi, and I believe that those that obviously are investing into this stock are really excited, especially looking at the fact that pre-market Sofi is trading up almost 8% as I'm doing this video right now, which is something that must just show you that even the market is reacting positively on the earnings that Sofi reported today. So if you are a Sofi fan, I'm sure you are really excited wherever you are, because Sofi, not only did they thrash analyst expectations on both the revenues and the earnings per share, but also the guidance when it comes to their guidance going to Q4 of 2023, so far it is expecting to be a profitable company or a profitable stock, which, like I said, that to me it is the one thing that stands out, because I always knew that obviously when it comes to revenues, earnings per share, so far has been beating analyst expectations, or analysts have been failing to predict the kind of earnings so far will release or announce for the past 5 quarters, which is something that must just show you that SoFi continues to do well regardless of the current economic constraints, regardless of maybe the student loan repayment holds. SoFi continues to do very well. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I hope you like the earnings. I hope you will enjoy the returns that probably will continue seeing when the market opens. But one thing that of course I would love to see is SoFi not losing obviously these gains that they are we are seeing them gaining, or we've seen them gaining even before the earnings or coming to the earnings, and also now after the earnings were announced. So I believe that SoFi continues to be the stock that not only does it do well, but its share price also recovers. As most of you of course that watched my previous video, my average on SoFi is currently at $7.05, and I had said on the previous video that I would really be excited if SoFi can at least get to that level on today's earnings. So I don't know how SoFi will open the market, or where will SoFi be trading at when the markets open today, but I'm hoping for the best. Or otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you can get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. Before you load the boat, increase your holdings onto SoFi, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence. You go and study the entire financials of SoFi, so that at least you don't panic when you get to see, maybe say for instance SoFi is to shares plummet again towards the 52-week low. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.